In this video, we will learn how to inform your team over Slack channel as soon as you receive a new submission via this report abuse form from your website. So what exactly I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a report abuse form using Pabbly Form Builder software. And as soon as a new abuse report is received, I'm going to inform the team immediately on Slack so that they can take the actions immediately and reply to the query. And here I have created the form in this Form Builder software. But in place of that, you can even use Google Forms, Jotform, Typeform, or any form builder software. So if you also want to inform your team on Slack on receiving report abuse via website, you should definitely create this automation. Want to learn how you can create it? Just follow this video till end. To create this automation, I'm going to connect this form builder software and Slack channel with the help of this automation software Pabbly Connect. Well, you can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect. Now, firstly, you will have to create your free account from this button. And let me tell you, you will also get free tasks to test this automation in the free account of Pabbly Connect, that too every month. Now, click on Pabbly Connect Access now, and this is how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here you will have to click on this button, create workflow, and enter the workflow name here. So just provide any random name to your workflow. I am providing get notified on Slack about every new complaints. Click on create and you will see two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happens in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application automatically. According to our use case, whenever a new complaint, a new report is received via the form builder application, inform the team on Slack application. So that is why here I am going to select the application where I have created my form. Okay, I have created my form in the Pabbly Form Builder application. That is why I am selecting the same. In case you have created your form in different application, different form builder application, you can select that particular application. Okay, in the trigger event, of course, the new form submission will be the trigger event. Now you can see a webhook URL and few set of instructions are visible here. So the idea here is I'm going to connect my Pabbly Form Builder software with the Pabbly Connect first so that the data can be recorded here. And I'm going to do this with the help of this webhook URL. So you'll have to copy this webhook URL, go back to your form builder software, and this is the form which I have created. Let me even show you the preview of the form. Well, it is already open in the different tab. Report abuse form. First name, last name, email, reason for the report, and any URL to report. Coming to the dashboard of the software, here you will have to go to the integration section if you have created your form in the Pabbly Form Builder software. Click on this button, create webhook, and here I am going to paste the same webhook URL which I have received from the Pabbly Connect. Now click on save and you will see the webhook URL will be added here. And while adding the webhook here, make sure your form should be selected from this drop down. Okay, well, it is the same form, report abuse form. So I have added this particular webhook URL in the same form. Coming back to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Recapture Webhook Response, and first read the instructions. Log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So I am going to open this particular form and here I am going to fill this form as a dummy user, as a dummy data, and assume that someone is actually making a report, making a complaint here. Okay. Pabblytudes.com. all right, I have found an article on your website and the content has been taken from my website. It has been copied from my site. Kindly remove that content from your site. So how about the user is having this particular complaint? Okay, let me correct this. Okay, and in case you have any URL to report, you can even add the same. For now, I am going to directly click on submit without providing any URL, and you can see your message submitted successfully. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and you can see the response has arrived here immediately. And let me even show you the details of the form one by one. You can see this is the form ID, the ticket ID, the IP address, and here is the submission date. This is the referrer URL, and here is the first name of the user, last name of the user, email of the user, and finally the reason for the report. Okay, so the first step of our integration is actually done, and now onwards, whenever the new complaints will arrive from this form, the data will be captured here. Now I want to send the same data. Basically, I want to send these reports to my team on Slack. Okay, so that is why the second application here will be, of course, the Slack. And in the action event, I am going to choose this send channel message. Click on connect, click on add new connection, connect with Slack. And here it is asking for the token type. So you can click on this particular link, and here you can compare that what is the difference in between the user and bot. Since I want to send the channel messages, so that is why I am going to select this bot. Okay, because I want to send the channel messages. So how about I write it bot here? Okay, click on save. And it is asking for the permission. So click on allow. And you can see the authorization is successful and your Slack account is connected. Now it is asking for the channel. Basically, you would like to send the notification on which particular channel. So whatever the channels are available in my Slack account are visible here actually in the Pabbly Connect, because my Slack account is connected and I have created one specific channel for handling such type of queries. Basically for handling all type of refund, abuse, cancellation handling team. So I want to send the notification to this particular team, basically to this channel. So that is why here I am going to select the same. Let me search for the same. Okay, let me first refresh it. Again search for it, refund. Okay, this is the channel in which I would like to send the notification. Now it is asking for the message. So I want to send the message that hello team, a new report or a complaint has been received via our form. Here are the details of the report. Okay, and here I am going to map all the details. Okay, so I want to send the name of the person to the team. Okay, so that is why I will write name here, colon, and here I will map the name of the person which I have received from the Pabbly form builder response, and the same response is visible here in the dropdown. I just need to select that particular field and you will see the same field. So the same data will be mapped here, and whatever I am going to map here will be replaced, will be changed automatically as soon as the new form submission, new complaints will be arrived here. Okay, so name here, email here, and of course the message, okay, or reason. So here I have provided all the details of the form submission. Okay, well, where is the message? Here is the message. I have found an article on your website and the content has been taken from my website. Okay, so I'm going to ask my team that hello team, a new report complaint has been received via form. Here are the details. Please take the action immediately. Okay, so this is the message I have created for my Slack team, and the things which I have mapped here will be replaced as soon as the next form with submission data will be arrived. Now it is asking for the image URL, image alt text, bot name and bot icon, and few more details. So I am going to leave all these fields blank since it is not mandatory, and I'm going to click on this button directly, save and send test request, and wait for the response. And you can see the response has been arrived. That means the message has been sent to my Slack channel. Let me go to my Slack account and check my channel, and this is the channel, and yes, the same message has been arrived here automatically. Hello team, a new report complaint has been received via our form. Here are the details of the report, and these are the details. please take the action immediately. So this is how, with the help of Pabbly Connect, with the help of automation, you can send any kind of notification to your Slack team as soon as the form submission is made in any form builder software. Here I have used this Pabbly form builder software, but if you also want to send the form notification of Google Forms, Jot form, Typeform to your team over Slack channel, you can use the same automation. In case you want to clone this workflow into your account, I'm going to attach the shareable link of this workflow into my account so that you can clone this particular workflow into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.